Welcome back to the Herbal Code 411, where ancient wisdom meets modern science, and we unlock the secrets nature has tucked away just for us. Today, we journey into the fragrant world of cinnamon, but not just the bark you know. We're diving deep into the hidden magic of cinnamon leaves. For thousands of years, civilizations from Sri Lanka to Egypt prized cinnamon not just as a spice, but as a medicine, a gift, a treasure worth its weight in gold. But beyond the famous bark lies the leaf, overlooked, yet rich with secrets of its own. Cinnamon leaves are packed with eugenol, a natural compound also found in clove, celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Modern research, like a 2019 study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology, shows cinnamon leaf extracts can support heart health, balance blood sugar levels, and even help fight bacterial infections. Some of the incredible benefits of cinnamon leaves include easing digestive issues, supporting healthy metabolism, boosting the immune system, and even providing gentle stress relief. Now, a quick word of caution: cinnamon, especially in larger amounts, can interact with medications and affect liver health. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing a chronic condition, always consult your healthcare provider before adding new herbs to your daily life. Ready to try cinnamon leaves in a fresh new way? Here's a quick, comforting recipe. Today we are making a cinnamon leaf infused oil. First, you will need to warm half a cup olive oil on low heat. Add 4 or 5 dried cinnamon leaves. Let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't fry them. Then, strain out the leaves, cool the oil, and it's ready for cooking, dressings, or even a nourishing body oil. A full breakdown of this recipe can be found in the description section of this video. If you're curious where to find high-quality cinnamon leaves and other herbal treasures, check the video description below. We've partnered with trusted sources, only the best for our Herbal Code family. If you enjoyed uncovering today's herbal secret, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us continue decoding nature's wisdom, one leaf at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has a code, and we're just here to decode it. See you in the next one.